Hi everyone, this is Scott from Feds. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI M300 RTK. In front of you we've got the drone itself with all the necessary accessories. We've got the BS60 charging case for your batteries, and I've also got the H2OT payload box as well. So we're going to open all these up and show you what's inside. Let me show you inside. So, two latches, nice and easy to open. As I mentioned, ergonomic, robust, everything you need inside. We actually have two batteries inside the case. Typically, they will be shipped separately. The DJI will ship the drone and all its accessories. The batteries will come separate. The battery charging case is also separate, and so is the payload. But thankfully, they're stored inside these wonderful little boxes. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, first of all, we have the DJI Smart Controller. This is going to be used to control your aircraft. It also comes with a spare battery, which is really handy as well. It has a built-in battery, but this extends the life of it. I'm going to take out the flight batteries for the drone itself. Now these are quite large. They are used together for one flight. You'll get up to 15 minutes of flight out of the drone, that is without the payload. They're stored away quite nicely inside the case itself. So if I just show you them now, it was good to have these. Then we have an instruction manual as well, which is great to see. Now you'll find the drone is stored upside down inside the case. Why have they done this? Well, it makes it a lot easier to actually set up when you're on the field. We have the actual landing legs stored inside the case top here. And you're going to use these to connect to the drone. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Mark up this triangle with the triangle you see inside the actual leg piece itself. They slot straight in and you rotate to lock in position. Repeat the same again with the other side. So we're ready to take the drone out of the box. Let's get to it. And here we have the M300 in all its glory. To install the batteries, it's quite simple. You'll see the connector here on the TB60 battery. Slot it in. Repeat the process with the second battery. And then lock them into place. Okay, so we're now going to install the DJI H2OT. Now this is a quad sensor in one payload, very impressive system. Okay, so inside you see the actual sensor itself, the payload with 4 sensors. Quite easy to remove from the Pelican case. DJI do provide a gimbal protector should you need to transport, and also a protector for the actual gimbal connector as well. Remove the connector that is included as part of the drone package. There we go. I'm going to take the payload. You'll see that there are 2 dots lined to the front of the actual aircraft and to the payload itself. You want to align that and connect it to the actual drone itself. And now we've installed our gimbal payload, the H2OT. So notice on this payload we have a protector here for the laser range finder. We also have a small RGB wide angle sensor. We have a radiometric thermal sensor, 640 by 512 pixels. And we also have a very powerful zoom system. Now this is 20 megapixel and it will zoom up to 200 times. And you can switch between these whilst you're controlling the aircraft, which is great. So the system itself has 360 collision avoidance. It uses a multitude of sensors. You have beacons on the top and below. The aircraft itself has an ADBS receiver, so if there are any manned aircraft in the area, this system is going to detect that as well. Okay, so this is the BS60 flight charging case. The great thing with this is it allows you to charge all your batteries up. Again, a very rugged Pelican case. So there are 8 slots here for the TB60 batteries. There are also 4 slots for the WB37 batteries, which you use with the remote control. Okay, so these are the TB60 intelligent flight batteries. Simply place the batteries into the case. You'll have a charging cable that plugs into this case just in the top here. Plug it into the mains and then you're good to go. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this tutorial how I unbox the DJI M300. If you have any questions or comments, pop in the box below or simply get in touch with Feds. Until the next video, thanks for your time.